hammer. It weighs about 65 pounds. If we were to go inside a building or inside a basement of a house or a warehouse, we'd use the electric wash hammer. So we don't have any fumes and we just plug it in and away we go. So typically, again, with the wash or the electric, we're using the split spoon sampling, which you've seen at other sites too, the other drilling companies. So we would have our split spoon here, we have our back end on the top, and we would typically go down 2.5 feet at a time, and then we'd pull out the split spoon, show the sample to their client, and they would analyze the soil and tell us how far that we have to keep going. And we would just simply keep adding rods on to go deeper and deeper and get continuous sampling all the way down. Normally we'd go into the water table. That's what most clients are asking now. They want to get water samples. The banks are looking for water samples to make sure the property is clean. So once we get into that water table, and we've gone far enough, we'd typically install a screen, water monitor down the hole. So the bottom of the hole would have the screen, which has the slots cut in it, and that would be, we'd pour sand around that, which allows the water to flow into the pipe. And above that we have a solid piece of riser, and we'd have a clay bentonite or benzeal plug around there. Once you hydrate that bentonite, it expands and seals it, so you're not getting any contamination down from the top. And then the engineer would come back later at the time to get water samples out of the pipe. So typically for a split spoon sample, we'd install the 1.25 inch. Well, if we needed to get deeper for some reason, or the client wanted a 2-inch one to get a little bit more water out of it, we have the 2-inch well supply, and to install that we have a portable auger unit. It's called the Beaver, and it's got a gas-powered hydraulic pack, and we can string off lines, hydraulic lines inside if we have to, or vent it if needed be. And if we use it outside, we don't have to worry about the venting. And that's got a 4-inch solid augers on there, so we can get a little bit bigger hole out there and install a 2-inch well. And recently we've got a new drill rig out. It's a little portable track mount similar to the one down the way, and that has 6-inch solids, and it's got hollows. It's also capable of doing the geotechnical geotechnical. Oh, you can.
Yeah, I know everything. So.
Try that after. So typically for a geotechnical hole,